Hello, I'll show you how to fix the issue when your personal hotspot is missing or not showing on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app. If you don't see the personal hotspot option here, don't worry. We can fix it through your cellular settings. Scroll down and tap on Cellular or Mobile Data. Now, select your active SIM card, then tap on Cellular Data Network. Scroll all the way down until you find the Personal Hotspot section. Here, you'll see a field called APN. In that field, type Internet. Make sure it's spelled correctly, then go back. Your iPhone will save it automatically. Now return to the main settings page, and you should see the Personal Hotspot option appear. If it's still missing, try these quick fixes. Turn cellular data off and back on, restart your iPhone, or go to Settings, then tap General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, click Reset, tap Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind this will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords. And that's it. Your hotspot should now be back and working. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.